Hey, and welcome back to the Nerdy. Today we will check out some GitHub alerts that most of us get from GitHub, and most of us are ignoring them, these security alerts. But it's advisable to check them out and see how you can fix them. So here I have an example. A security advisor on EP affects at least one of your repositories. Then you can see here 3 repositories. GitHub account might be affected by a security vulnerability found in IEP. And then you get the information here. EP SSRF improper categorization in is public. And it's high severity, so then it's likely good to check it out. So you don't keep a security issue in your applications. So here we can see my projects that seems to have this issue. So to fix this, let's go to view all alerts to begin with. And for this example, let's look at FS photos. So then, wait, we go back. Yeah, so here you have all the alerts from Dependabot that you get mails from. And here is the list of the repositories. So let's go into FS photos, for example. Dependabot updates a pause. Yeah, I haven't used it while, as you can see, so I'm also ignoring these mails. Yeah, so we have to merge one before we can continue. But we have a good one here. So then if you check this Dependabot suggestion, you have actually gotten a on the security tab on your projects, you have gotten this alert here, which you saw on the last page. And here's the description of the issue. So since the Dependabot is disabled, we don't have a pull request for this warning yet. So we need to merge another one first. So I guess let's go to the oldest one, might be safest. Let's try. As you can see, I haven't cared about this repository in a while. The first Dependabot error was from 2020. So then to solve this one, as you can see, update paused. So here we can see what the Dependabot suggests I do. So it's best to check the code here as well. So then this file is quite big, but I assume they will only change the version here. So let's go back and merge this one. So now this one is merged. Then I got a bunch of new emails coming in. So that's new pull request. Let's see if this one is here. Not yet. Let's go and check the list. That build failed. So I guess we will have to keep merging these ones until we get the new one. also gonna go and check the build pipeline for this site that I host on Netlify. Let's go and check how that looks like. Log in. Log in with GitHub. F photos. That's my brother's website. Let's check deploys. It's building. Here we have, yeah, so that one is published. Let's go and check the page that it's not broken. So this page is built with Angular. And it's a serverless page. Seems to work. Yeah, so this one also succeeded. Then I know it's the merge went fine. So now I want to keep merging these ones until I get that critical one. Oh, this is strange. They have my old email here. Merge. So we get up to speed. I'm not sure if I can I merge several at the same time? Guess not. Merge this one. Let's keep going. How's the status here? Merge pull request. Lodash. Bump merge. Confirm. It would be really nice if this video ended with this one being merged and deployed. Let's see if we get that far. Let's go through all these old ones first. Coming new emails I hear. Let's have a look. Let's reload. That's what it said at least, but okay. Let's keep going. Here we got something new. See? So let's just get through this list. I might cut this out. This is when happens when you don't stay up to date. This seems a bit dangerous. Let's save that for later. Just take the small changes. Merge this one. I will avoid major updates at this point, especially with the Angular core package, since there might be breaking changes there. This here we also have one. Not sure I use this one actually, but let's continue with the easy ones. is also red flags. So let's wait with that one also. This one. Let's skip that one as well. This one looks like a small one, so let's take that one. That's also a small one, so let's do that one. Let's see what versions is here. That's big. That's too big. This is a small one, so that we can do. Angular upgrade I will save to another video. Let's see here. Also too big. This one. Fine, fine, fine. It's okay, that's okay. Oh, conflicts. Then maybe we just, since this is an old one, we can just close the pull request. So we'll come back if it's needed. Now we're getting into the new ones. That's fine. And this one should be fine. Here, now when we get the new ones, we also get some checks, so that's nice. Then it's a bit more safe to merge it. This is also a small change. Merge this one. Now we're getting somewhere. About this one. Too big change for now. This is a fine change. Yes. How about, yeah, I think this might be fine. Let's wait a bit. Let's see. How's it going to deploys? There's lots of deploys now. Starting up. Let's wait and see if they turn green. We can also check here if this one is still open. Yeah. Hopefully it will show up here in a while. This is how the Netlify building works. Great service for simple applications. So let's wait. Okay, so it's published. Nice. Then we can go and check. Let's do a empty cache and reload. link still works. Good. Ah, so it's have some more to deploy. Hopefully they go fine. Here we got a new one again. Again, way too risky update. But yeah, in short, this is how it works. So if you continuously keep this up to track, if you continuously keep this up to date, it won't be as much work as I'm stuck with right now. But thanks for watching. Bye.